Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to configure an Alcatel switch. We'll start by covering the initial steps to connect to your switch, whether through a console cable or network access. Then, we'll walk through the default login credentials and how to secure your device. Finally, we'll explore some fundamental commands to get your Alcatel switch up and running smoothly, preparing it for more advanced network configurations. To begin, physically connect to your Alcatel switch using a console cable or an Ethernet cable to a network port. For many models, the default IP address is 192.168.1.3. Once connected, you can access the command line interface using a terminal emulator. The default username is typically admin with an empty password. It is crucial to change these default credentials right away to secure your network device. Next, let's dive into basic network configuration. You'll want to create virtual local area networks, or VLAN, to segment your network traffic, enhancing both security and performance. Assign IP addresses to these VLAN interfaces to enable inter-VLAN routing. Then, configure individual switch ports, assigning them to the appropriate VLAN. You can also enable or disable ports to control network access and manage connectivity effectively. Finally, it's essential to save your configuration to ensure your changes persist after a reboot. Use the right memory command to save the running configuration to the working directory. For added reliability, copy the working configuration to the certified directory using copy working certified. Always verify your network connectivity and device functionality after making changes. Utilize various show commands to confirm that all your settings have been applied correctly and are operating as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.